got?
This is Bubbles.
Hi, Bubbles. Do you want to come up with Bubbles?
Sure.
What kind of medical issues, just briefly, does Bubbles have?
I believe it's just arthritis in the back legs, one worse than the other.
Okay. May I?
Yeah, you may.
Hi, Bubbles. Now, one of my favorite things to use when it comes to rabbit rehab is any kind of core stability training. Core stability means that the muscles that support your spine have to be strong enough to support your spine. It's about how long can you sit upright and groom your front limbs without falling over. That's core strength. Okay, so it's teeny tiny muscles, and each individual vertebra has an attachment of a little tiny muscle that is responsible for stabilizing that particular vertebra. So you've got lots of core muscles in order to stabilize. Okay, anything on an unstable surface is going to be an advanced core stabilization exercise. So a pillow works, a couch cushion works, thick grass works, thick carpet works, and fun toys that humans use like Dynadiscs. Those work too. Okay, this is a Dynadisc. Good job, Bubbles. There we go. Good job. Good. Kind of weird, huh? It does move. It has air inside of it, and you can vary the amount of air, and it's counterintuitive. The more air that's in it, if it's completely filled up, it's easy because it doesn't squish. If it's completely flat, it's easy because it doesn't inflate. If there's in between air, it's a little harder. So you can vary the 2 degrees between hard and not so hard. And then the idea is to maintain proper posture on the unstable surface. Now, if I were to continue to work on this, we might even add a treat. Although right now, it looks like you're just so curious you can't stand it. So we're kind of getting a little bit of movement here. Good job. Good job. So I'm looking for proper posture on the unstable surface. Now, if this were too hard, and I honestly didn't have to support him much, if this were too hard, I could do the exact same thing on a less squishy surface. See, I picked this chair here because it's got fabric. It's got a little bit of a squish, so it's not the same as concrete. Okay, it's not the same as a yoga mat. A yoga mat is really good for traction, and it's also very stable. So you're not going to get an unstable surface from that. You're going to get a stable surface from that. But if Bubbles had been having a lot of trouble on the Dynadisc, I could have used something like this. I can also do something like this. There. Look at that posture. Yeah. And if Bubbles had problems with grooming, I can smear raspberries or blueberries all over Bubbles' paw and let Bubbles work on grooming and licking the blueberry off the paw in this position. Okay. Good job. Good job. So that's an example of core exercises.